Hi, this is Jim Wyckoff with your weekly 5M Publishing Grain Market Outlook. Starting out early this week with some bullish enthusiasm in the corn and soybean market, something we hadn't seen for quite some time. We've got, it appears to be some value buying going on in the corn market. We've got some recent export demand that's picking up, firmer basis levels, probably some short covering going on in the corn market. The technical posture has improved in the corn market, just a new multi-week high scored on Tuesday. So there are early clues that this market has put in a near-term bottom. Maybe we've got that seasonal February break phenomenon put behind us, and it made an early visit. So we'll see what happens the rest of this week. But the corn bulls do have some fresh upside, both fundamental and technical momentum, to begin to suggest that this market has put in a major low. Regarding the soybean market, prices hit a new 2-week high on Monday, saw some follow-through buying strength on Tuesday, also due to some demand prospects. Some hot and dry weather in South American soybean regions is also a little bit bullish for the soybean market. So the bulls are looking a little better on that perspective also. Regarding the wheat market, a little bit of short covering, but this market remains sickly from a technical perspective. There has been some winter wheat kill in the U.S. due to extreme cold temperatures, but the extent of the damage is not known. Wheat is a very resilient plant, so it would surprise me if there was extreme damage, but that also is a little bit price supportive for the wheat market. Attention of the grain markets focuses on next Monday's USDA monthly supply and demand report. That report could be a little bit friendly for the soybean market. Forecast be maybe neutral for corn and maybe neutral to bearish for the wheat market. Importantly, the keener risk aversion in the marketplace recently has been a bearish underlying factor for the grain market. And the fact that the grains have traded sideways or sideways to higher here the past couple of weeks amid this keener risk aversion, that also augurs for some bullish attitudes in the grains, thinking that prices can work sideways to higher here into the U.S. planting and growing season. That's it for this week. Jim Wyckoff reporting.